one more example I am doing. This is 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. What is the step 1? First you have to check whether it is monic or non-monic. Monic means x square coefficient is 1, but here x square coefficient is 2. So we have to change this quadratic equation as a monic quadratic equation. Monic quadratic equation. How? By dividing by 2. 2x square by 2 minus 7x by 2 plus 3 by 2 is equal to 0. All terms you have to multiply with 2. Now it is x square minus 7x by 2 or 7 by 2x plus 3 by 2 is equal to 0. Now it is monic quadratic equation. Again, what is the next step? You send constant on that side. X square minus 7 by 2x is equal to minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2. Now it is a square minus, here you see minus is there, a square minus 2ab plus b square. We have to arrange these terms into a square minus 2ab plus b square. How it is? Again, first x whole square minus 2 into a is x. Here actually b is 7 by 2. 7 by 2. What is the formula? B by 2. B by 2. Extra you have to take one more 2. That is 7 by 2 into 2, 4. Here we have to multiply 2 with 2 again. So 7 by 4 plus this is b, 7 by 4 whole square. Denominator you have to multiply 2 again, because 2 2s are 4. Then 7 by 2x again we are getting. Now here this is minus 3 by 2. Add plus 7 by 4 whole square again here, RHS. So you should add plus 7 by 4 whole square. Now it is exactly in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now x minus 7 by 4 whole square is equal to minus 3 by 2 plus 49 by 16. Here 7 by 4 whole square is 49 by 16. Now x minus 7 by 4 whole square is equal to, taking LCM 16. 16 here minus 24 plus 49. So here x minus 7 by 4 whole square is equal to 49 minus 24, 25 by 16. Okay, clear my dear students? 25 by 16. X minus 7 by 4 whole square is equal to 25 by 16. Now this is x minus 7 by 4. X minus 7 by 4 is equal to root of 25 by 16. Root of 25 by 16. So this is a rational number, 25 by 16. So roots are exist here. X minus 7 by 4 is equal to plus or minus 5 by 4. Plus or minus. Actually, what is the root of 25? Generally we are taking 5. What is the root of 36? The root is 6. Generally we are taking positive root. Actually root of 25 is plus or minus 5. You observe this, Plus 5 into plus 5 is plus 25. Minus 5 into minus 5 is also plus 25. That's why plus or minus, plus or minus. Here x minus 7 by 4 is equal to 5 by 4. 5 by 4. One case. X minus 7 by 4 is equal to 5 by 4. One case. One more case is x minus 7 by 4 is equal to minus 5 by 4. This is second case. If you solve this one, you can get x values. X is equal to 5 by 4 plus 7 by 4. So this is x is equal to 12 by 4. 12 by 4. So x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. Answer. And here x is equal to minus 5 by 4 plus 7 by 4. That is x is equal to 2 by 4. So x is equal to 1 by 2. So ultimately we are getting answer x is equal to 3 or 1 by 2. So this is the method completing the square method. So students, one more example, 2x square plus x plus 4 is equal to 0. It is a non-monic quadratic equation. You have to change it is in the monic quadratic equation. That's why you divide each term with 2. 2x square by 2 plus x by 2 plus 4 by 2 is equal to 0. Suppose here 3x square you have to divide with 3. Suppose here 5x square you have to divide with 5. Now it is x square plus x by 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. Now it is monic quadratic equation. Here x square plus x by 2 is equal to minus 2. Minus 2. Here plus, that's why it is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here a square means x whole square plus 2 into a means x. Again what about b? This is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So multiply denominator with 2 again. So that is 1 by 4. 2 into x into 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 whole square is equal to minus 2 plus 1 by 4 whole square. Here this again x plus 1 by 4 whole square is equal to minus 2 plus 1 by 16. 1 by 16. X plus 1 by 4 whole square is equal to, taking LCM 16 minus 32 plus 1. Here this is x plus 1 by 4 whole square is equal to, x plus 1 by 4 whole square is equal to minus 31 by 16. Minus 31 by 16. So x plus 1 by 4 is equal to root of minus 31 by 16. Students, here remember we are getting negative number under root. So we can't continue this problem because this quadratic equation is not having real roots. So the equation has no real roots. That's enough. You have to stop and again you should write the equation does not have have real roots. So this is ultimate answer.